Okay, what we're going to do now, hopefully you clone the lights when you copied them and you didn't choose copy. Because if you choose copy, then what we're going to do next, you'll have to do to every single light. If you chose copy, you might want to go back and delete all of the lights and wait till we finish this part, or make sure you clone them. Because when you clone an object, what you do to one object happens to all the other objects, okay? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the one Omni light that we have in here. We're going to open the Modify panel, and under Intensity, Color, Attenuation, Rollout, right here, in the General Parameters Rollout, we're going to choose the color swatch right here, and we're going to try to choose an orangish color. And then we're going to close that box. Okay, now we're going to add a little more light to our scene. So we're going to increase the front view right here. And we're going to go to the Create panel, Lights. And we're going to choose Target Direct. And actually, we're going to come back over here and use the top view. And I just need to zoom out a little bit here so we can see what we're doing. There we go. And move it over a little bit. And then doing my target spot, I'm going to draw from the right side, a little bit from the right side, straight over to our middle view, okay? And I don't want that one, I want the direct, target direct. Here we go. Very good. And then let's increase the fall off to include the entire street, okay? So you'll want to come into the parameters and increase your fall off to include the entire street. It's right here under directional parameters. There we go. And then we might want to increase the hotspot a little bit too. And then to see what it looks like, we can render the scene. Probably be a good idea to render the perspective view to see what it looks like. Okay, so we have some good lighting going on. Okay, so now we want to select that directional light, and we want to move it above the city. So I'm going to zoom out here, and I'm going to select the directional light. Make sure we get all viewports so we can see what's going on. There we go. So I know I want to select this light here, and I know I want to move it up above the city. There we go. So we can get a good view of what's happening in the city. And now we'd like to change this to kind of a medium to dark blue. So we know we'll come over here to our color swatch right here. I'm going to change it to a medium dark blue. There we go. Okay, and that's the end of this part.